Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you see what this box is? I got a little Sephora order I wanted to share with you guys. I don't order a lot on Sephora just because I'm trying not to buy a lot of stuff, but I don't need any makeup. However, I am getting low on skincare. So I had gotten a $30 Sephora gift card for Christmas. And so I decided instead of splurging on a palette that I don't need, I decided instead that I would splurge on some skincare. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. There's not a ton in here. I'm using my eyebrow scissors. Don't judge me. Da 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 da, it's open. Okay, so for, I don't know, what did I spend? It doesn't say it on here. I spent like 66 Canadian dollars, so I think I got a pretty good bang for my buck. Look at all the goodies in here. So I've been wanting to try some of the Ordinary products. So I find their pricing to be really nice. I find their ingredients to be pretty good. What I like about their ingredients is that there's not a lot of them. So I'm a big fan of like minimal skincare where there's not a lot of fluffy extra ingredients that aren't really necessary. For my acne prone skin, I find that's what works best for me, is sort of bare bones skincare. Here comes Charlie. He's like, Mommy, you're home. Why aren't you paying attention to me? I just walked in the door and was like, oh, it's time to do a little YouTube video. I know, honey. Okay, so I got a few products from The Ordinary. And by a few, I mean 4. So the first thing that I wanted to try, so I know, honey, I'm so sorry. I know, he's got a lot of feelings. It's okay. So, I'm sorry. Distracted by my sweet good boy. Yes, I know. None of this is for you. He's waiting for his bark box. It's really late, so every time a box comes to the door, he gets really excited because he thinks it's his parcel. Okay, so right now I'm using a serum slash essence. It's sort of a watery consistency from Valjean Labs, and it's a niacinamide and zinc serum. They call it, I think it's called their Restore Serum. Anyways, I really like it. I picked it up at Winners. It's almost gone, and I saw that The Ordinary carries one that also contains niacinamide and zinc. So I thought that I would try that. It's their high strength vitamin and mineral Blemish formula. So I thought I'd give that a whirl for when I run out of the other. So I picked that up. I also picked up from them the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. So this is a daily support formula for all skin types, and I was reading in the reviews that this is an awesome oil for oily and acne prone skin types. I've noticed lately I got a Josie Marin Argan Oil Serum for Christmas from a client, and I've been using it, and as an oily skin type, I've never thought to use oil on my skin. I always thought that's like the worst thing I could do, and I'm loving it. So that is almost gone, so I thought I would try this to replace it when it is gone. So it looks like this. And then I also picked up from them their hyaluronic acid and B5 serum. So it says a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. So I thought that will be a nice addition to my skincare regime. My skin loves hyaluronic acid. I just picked up the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist, which is hyaluronic acid and black oat based, and I'm loving this. So I thought I'd give this one a try as well. These are small bottles. These were available online only. So they're not that small. A serum in a bottle that size will last a long time. And then the last thing from them that I got is the caffeine solution. So this is supposed to reduce the appearance of eye contour pigmentation and puffiness. So I have dark circles, everyone does, but I have kind of major indentations right there with a little bit of puffiness. So I thought I would give that a try to see if that helps at all. And then the last thing that I got is the Ola Henriksen Truth Serum. So this is a vitamin C, it says collagen boosted with True C complex. So it's a vitamin C serum. should help you look more radiant, youthful, glowy, all the good things. So I thought I'd give that a try. It has really good reviews. This is the mini size. So I bought all small sizes of things so that I could give them a try. If I like them, I'll buy the full sizes. It's a great way to try skincare. So I got all of this skincare for $66. Plus I had a $30 gift card, so I only spent like 36 of my own dollars. And I had some Beauty Insider points, so I decided I would pick up the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I've heard quite a few people, this would obviously be like a deluxe sample size. I've heard quite a few people talk about how great this is, so I wanted to give it a try. I've heard it's good on the skin. I've also heard it's really good for eczema, which I've really been struggling with. This winter, my elbows have been going just bananas, so I thought I'd give that a try because I really prefer not to use the steroid creams if I don't have to, so I got that for free. And then for my samples, I got the Dr. Dennis Gross Extra Strength Daily Peel. So I got, there's like a step 1 and step 2, so I thought that would be a good thing for me to try. I generally like those types of products. And then my other free sample, I have this and I love it. So this is the Farmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. So I got the sample size and I'm gonna throw it in my travel basket because I thought, this is so great because it's really hard to travel with like micellar water and like big jars of cleansing balm, so I thought that'll be great for travel. So that's everything that I got. I think I got a really good bang for my buck. I'm really excited to try some new skincare. I will have another empties video coming up pretty soon because I'm low on a lot of stuff. So if you like this, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!